And we have some news just coming in. Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia has demanded vaccination for class 12 students and teachers. Delhi Deputy Chief Minister claims his government is prepared to vaccinate all students who are in class 12 within 2 days, is what he's saying.
बात एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशंस की भी है, बात यूनिवर्सिटी के आगे के एग्जामिनेशंस की भी है, अगला सेमेस्टर शुरू होने की भी है कि फिर बच्चे परीक्षाएं, प्रतियोगी परीक्षाएं कैसे देंगे, नीट की जेईई की परीक्षाएं कैसे देंगे। तो इस सब का एक ही समाधान है कि हम अपने बच्चों को वैक्सीनेशन कराएं। जैसा मैंने कहा कि पूरे देश में करीब 1.5 करोड़ बच्चे हैं जो 12वीं क्लास में हैं। आज देश में भी वैक्सीन उपलब्ध है जो युवाओं के लिए कारगर बताई जा रही है, और विदेशों में भी ऐसी वैक्सीन उपलब्ध है जो 12 साल से 18 साल के बच्चों के लिए भी कारगर प्रूव की जा चुकी है, घोषित की जा चुकी है। केंद्र सरकार से हमारा निवेदन है कि 1.5 करोड़ बच्चों के लिए और स्कूल के सारे टीचर्स के लिए, लगभग 1.5 करोड़ ही टीचर्स हैं, तो 1.5 करोड़ बच्चों के लिए और 1.5 करोड़ टीचर्स के लिए लगभग 3 करोड़ लोगों के लिए सबसे पहले वैक्सीन लेके आई जाए जो बच्चों के लिए लगाई जा सकती है, वैसी वैक्सीन। दुनिया में अभी फाइजर वैक्सीन का नाम आया है। अमेरिका में फाइजर वैक्सीन के बारे में से हमने भी संपर्क किया था, तो उनके पास डोजेज तो हैं, लेकिन उन्होंने कहा कि भाई अभी हम केंद्र सरकार से ही बात कर रहे हैं। तो केंद्र सरकार ये जिम्मेदारी निभाए कि फाइजर से बात करके देश के 1.5 करोड़ बच्चों के लिए वैक्सीन लेके आए और उनको लगवाए।
Kamaljeet Sandhu is getting us more details on that story. Kamaljeet, in fact, the Delhi Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister is saying let's vaccinate children in this age category also because exams are important. We shouldn't be having these exams. To an extent, it won't make any sense because right now we are vaccinating those above the age of 18 and these children really don't fall in that age group, isn't it?
Well, what Delhi government has said has left people more confused because remember the government has only agreed for vaccination of 18 and above, and these are children who are mostly in 17 years. So can they be treated on par is one of the key decisions that the government will then have to take. And then when he's talking about vaccination, he's not only talking about vaccination of children, he's also talking about vaccination of teachers, which is putting together a figure of 3 crores. That seems like an impossible task at this point of time where the country is already facing vaccine shortage. So this is clearly a line being taken by Delhi government. They're not simply saying no, but they're actually shooting from the shoulder and putting the onus and responsibility on the central government who's not taken a decision. But we know that Delhi is not alone. Governments like Maharashtra are also not very keen to go ahead with class 12 board examination. Now what we've been told is that they want either with a historical reference, that is when a call is taken and these students are given the same marks. But remember, since the past 1 year has also been a pandemic year, not everyone would have performed. So that actually will leave a lot of children and board students in perplex. And this 1 year period has also been a time where they have done not just homework but also revisions. A lot of people have worked hard. Their future depends on the class 12 board examination, but it's the pandemic which also makes things much more harder. The final call will have to be taken by the Union Ministry.
Absolutely. Kamal, thanks for getting us up to speed with that.